I'm going to show you how easy it is to apply effects to your text in Canva. So I have written the word joy in the middle of my slide here, and I'm going to click effects here on the top. And when I do that, this panel shows up on the left-hand side of my screen. And you'll notice that as I click each one of these different styles, it is going to change the look of my word joy. And there's quite a few different options. Now within each option, you have a lot of ways to customize this. So first of all, if I want the shadow to be a different color, I simply click on color, and then I can apply a totally different color to the shadow. Now you can see right now that the shadow is fairly transparent, but if I move this transparency dot here to the right, it becomes deeper and less transparent. I also can apply a blur to my shadow so that it has this blurred effect, and the farther I go right, the more blurred it becomes. I also can change the direction of my shadow. So depending if I want the shadow on the top, on the left, on the bottom, or on the right, I can just move that dot back and forth. Additionally, I can change the offset of my shadow. So if I want the shadow to be more pronounced and more offset, I can move it to the right. If I want it to be less offset, I move it to the left. So all of those options really allow you to create just the effect that you would like for your graphic. Now, another feature that I really love is this curve. So right now you see it is curved. If I click none, it'll go back to normal. Now, if I want this curve to be a little bit less curved, or maybe I want it to curve upward instead, I just drag the dot to the left or to the right to get the exact amount of curve that I am looking for. And this is really helpful if you're wanting to fit words maybe around a shape or maybe in a banner that you've created in Canva. It really allows you to create just the look you want. So I hope you enjoy playing around with these effects, and I can't wait to see what you create next in Canva.